I think it's time for a haircut. So, yeah, let's get that done. Yeah, that's better. I just need to trim that up. That's better. It's a little shortcut, you know, for the summer. Also, put the muffler back on. It sounds so quiet now. Like almost stock or something. Vroom, vroom. Car noises. Turbo noises. Ka-choo, ka-choo. Zoom. Vroom, vroom. Swapping out old sheets. Getting some food. And there's the old girl. Stupid speaker. Excuse me. I broke the stupid tabs off, so now I gotta stick it in there. It just kind of lays in there. Well, on my way back home with the sheets. Probably gonna wash the car. If not, at least wipe it down. And then there's a car meet tonight at the local commuter lot, so I'll try and get some footage there. If you guys kind of like this, you know, day in the life, I'll try to do more of it, although, you know, most of the time I have to just do my work, go to work, do my day job, come home, eat dinner, play with my kids, go to sleep, do that all over again for 5 days. So anyway, if you like this, then let me know in the comments down below. Time to give the old girl a bath. Well, after washing my car, I noticed that nice grease in there, so now this side of the outer axle boot is busted. Just did the other side, so why not this one too, right? So we're at the car meet here with a couple buddies. This is what'd you say, 2015?
2015.
2015 STI with some Perrin goodies. And my car, and then my buddy Fabian's car, single turbo, RB26. There he is, sporting the shades. Looks like a pretty good turnout so far.
You got the regular intake on? It's got a hose that comes up next to the intake? No. This is recirc, but this is for turbo noise in the cabin. So every time you went up here, you could get drove me fucking nuts. I used to love it. Drove me nuts.
Hey, is that one of them there 2JZs? It's a 2JZ, right? It's the RB edition?
SR.
SR, got it.
Gotta put on the new hotness.
Oh, you got one?
It's a nice one.
Oh, here's the SA edition. This is the
Yeah.
The SA 2JZ.
Thanks, Fabian.
The domestics. Yeah, that one.
You know this guy through this?
Yeah, he rolled in with me.
What all you got done to that thing?
Yeah, boy. Bringing back the old school.
Man, keep going.
It's loping. This thing's a sleeper, man. Can't tell it's fast at all.
I know. You can't hear it. You can't hear it at all. Well, it looks like a mom car.
Oh, fighting words, fighting words.
No, I mean, it's grocery. I'll take mom car. All day. Hell yeah. Daily driven mom car.
Boom.
Yep. It was nice talking to you guys, man.
Yeah, right. Two. Big old tires. Everything's black and chrome. This light doesn't do anything. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's so dark. My camera sucks in the dark. Yeah, there we go. Sweet.
Oh, look, he has the same little bracket as you for the booster.
Yeah, race art. My ear balls. Hey, thanks for the sock. Yeah, man. well, guys, I hope you liked that video. It's a little different style video than I normally do. I tried to just record a bunch of different things throughout the day that I was doing and edit it all together into a video. Still kind of getting the hang of that style of video editing. So if you liked it, let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button. If you want to see more like that, obviously hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you get notified when I do a video. I guess in the future I'm going to have to be replacing that axle boot. I did the inside one on that axle, but not the outside one, so of course, excuse me, I shot myself in the foot there, I guess you could say. So anyway, just look forward to more videos, try and get some driving in, and we'll see what comes. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time. See ya.